Namaste and welcome to Sujith Talks. My name is Sujith Billa, registered migration agent here in the most livable city on earth, Melbourne. This video is about ICT professionals getting invited by Victoria in 190, mainly 190 and sometimes 491. So let's look at the numbers allocated to Victoria for 2019-20, which is going to be finished in a few days now. Today is 11th June 2020 at the time of this recording, and on 30th June we'll be done with this financial year 2019-20. So before this financial year, the numbers allocated to Victoria by the Department of Home Affairs, usually they allocate numbers. For 190 they allocated 2500 and they have allocated 1043 for 489 and 491 combined, because 489 stopped after a few months in 2019-20 and when 491 started. Now let's look at the number of invitations Victoria gave under 190 broken down points wise. So this is nothing to do with ICT professions, we'll get there very soon. Now overall, from 1st of July 2018 to 6th of December 2019, so this is like 1.5 years. This is not just the last financial year or the current financial year we are talking about. This is starting from the last financial year ending midway this financial year. So 1.5 year period time, 190 Victoria, 65 pointers, 1413 got invited, and 70 pointers, 1137, 75 pointers, 686, 80 pointers, 297, and 85 pointers, 132. So if you have seen this, the trend is that the highest number of invitations went to 65 pointers. So if somebody is thinking that Victoria will do just like New South Wales, that is false. New South Wales is a different ball game altogether. They usually invite high ranking EOIs. On the other hand, Victoria doesn't really care about the number of points from what we see here. Okay, moving on. Now, the main thing that I'm going to talk about in this video is about the ICT professions, because I come from ICT background and I'm specialized in dealing with Australian Computer Society and assisting ICT professionals to get 199, 190, 489 or 491. So this video is mainly about them, but if you're one of those people with a different occupation, you can also use the same set of documents to make a self-analysis. And I would appeal to all those who are watching this video to make videos like this. If you're just a YouTuber and you want to play with these documents on the Freedom of Information Disclosure Logs on Home Affairs website, you should be able to do that and make analysis, and that will help others and yourself, because this is all general information and the documents are available in the public domain. Now, if you go to Victoria 190 state nomination website, you see a skilled occupation list which is currently not active, but which was active a few days before or a few weeks before, and when all these invitations happened, what we are discussing in this video. So at that time, this skilled occupation list is current, and it had how many, you can see 10 occupations under ICT. So you got ICT project manager, ICT business analyst, systems analyst, analyst programmer, developer programmer, software engineer, software tester, database administrator, security specialist, computer network and systems engineer. All these occupations, they all have 7 each in IELTS or 65 each in PTE as a requirement under English language test, and they all have 3 years work experience minimum, with business analyst requiring 5 years. So that's pretty much it. But do you think just because an occupation is in Victoria's skilled occupation list, do you think there is a guaranteed number of invitations that go to that occupation? Not necessarily so, and it depends on the period of time. So in a few months they wouldn't give many invitations to ICT professionals, and again they could give invitations to ICT professionals, Victoria I'm talking about. So it all changes. So we have a few documents to check how Victoria did with ICT occupations. Now this document, it's called Freedom of Information Request FA 20/01/4007. Now this is talking about EOIs that were issued an invitation to apply for a Subclass 190 visa nominated by the Victorian government in the period between 1st of Jan 2019 to 7th of August. Okay, it shows the date of invitation and SCO code of occupation, occupation name, total points, and primary applicant's English proficiency. Now, if you search in this document, so the first one is ICT project manager. So all those 6 invitations happened in different times actually. So the first one, invitation date is 27th of May 2019, when the person with that skills assessment under ICT project manager who submitted an EOI with 75 points and with proficient English language test score, which means 65 in PTE or 7 each, they got invited. The next person was on 21st of June 2019 with 80 points and superior, which is 79 plus or 8 each in IELTS, 79 plus in PTE. The next person who got invited was on 6th of June 2019, or more than 1 year ago, 75 points and superior English. And another person 22nd of Jan 2019 with just 65 points and competent English test score. And then you got someone on 27th of March 2019 with 85 points and superior score. And then again 6th of June 2019, ICT project manager, 75 points and superior score. As you can see, there's one person with competent English language test score, which is just 6 each in IELTS or 50 each in PTE. Moving on, we have business analyst. People invited in June 2019 with 70 points, competent score in English, and again May 2019 with 70 and superior score, and June proficient score 75, June 80 superior score, and 21st of March 85 superior score, June 80 superior score, and there's one person with just 65 competent score, and again 80 superior score, Feb 65, just 65 points proficient score, and June 80 superior score, April 2019 we are talking about still, 80 superior score, June 80 superior score, May 80 superior score, business analyst again, June 2019 80 superior score, systems analyst, you got 12 results. So you got 80 superior score, 80 superior, 80 superior, 80 superior, 80 superior, and 90 superior, 80 superior, 80 superior, 80 superior, 80 superior, 80 superior, 80 superior. So it's all superior mostly. Analyst programmer, you got 22 results, so 22 invitations you can say. And developer programmer, so usually it's 75-80, but you can also see 65. And then the most popular one, software engineer. So you get 28 results. For software engineer, you get 80 proficient and 70 proficient. You also got 65 proficient, interesting, and you got 65 competent as well. You got 85 superior, Yeah, so I could see 85 as the highest. Software tester, another occupation which is not very popular. So you got 5 results here. Software tester, 85 superior on 6th of March 2019, and 17th of Jan 2019, 85 superior, and 15th of Feb 2019, 80 superior. And you got 21st of June 2019, 80 superior, and 22nd of March 2019 with 85 superior. That was tester. Now let's see database administrator. You got quite a lot actually. Database administrator, 35 entries you got, and you got 80 superior, 80 proficient, 75 superior, and 90 superior, 25 proficient. Then you got ICT security specialist, ICT security. So ICT security, so you got 24, 80 superior, 80 superior, 75 proficient, 5 superior. We got computer network, we got 13 entries. You can see 165 proficient, 165 competent, and again another 65 competent, 85 superior. So again it's a mix. You got proficient, competent, superior, all types of scores, and 65, 85, 75, 80, all points under computer network and systems engineer. To sum up, not a lot of invitations went to ICT professionals between 1st of Jan 2019 to 7th of August 2019. Now we have another document. This is giving us information about invitations from Victoria 190 again between 1st of July 2019 to 31st of December 2019. So if you just search with the same occupations, ICT project manager, let's see how many we got. 135112. So it looks like we got 0. Project manager. Then business analyst, 2, just 2. One on 21st of November 2019, 90 superior. 28th of October 2019, 85 superior. Systems analyst, just 2. 5th of December 2019 with just 65 points but proficient English, and 18th of September 2019 with 70 points competent English. That's interesting. See, one with competent English and one with just 65 points. But only 2 for systems analyst, only 2 business analyst. So that's very important to understand that not much happened in Victoria in the first half of this financial year. 261311 analyst programmer, 21st of November 2019, 90 points and superior. Next you got developer programmer 261312. Basically this 2613 is a popular group which has got software engineers as well. So 261312, you got 4 and 90 superior, 70 competent, 75 superior, and 70 competent. And 261311 analyst programmer is 90 superior, only 1 invitation. Then you got software engineer, that's the popular one. You got only 9 invitations for software engineer, 80 proficient, 75 competent, 85 proficient, 85 superior, 65 competent. This happened on 14th of October 2019, 65 competent. That was very good. Then 20th of December, 90 competent, and you got 80 competent, 90 superior. Okay, not a lot. Just 9 for software engineers. Software tester, I wonder if they got any. 261314, 0. So it looks like tester and project managers, no invitations at all from Victoria. Database administrator also not apparently invited. Okay, so what about ICT security specialist from the same occupation group? You got 3 entries. ICT security specialist, 80 superior, 95 superior, 90 superior. So one was from July, one is from November, and one is from September. Computer network and systems engineer, you got 4 invitations, 3 in November, 1 in July. 85 superior, 90 superior, 85 superior, and 80 proficient respectively. Okay, we got another document. It gave a couple of invitations to business analyst with 75 and 70. That was in September and August last year. And then I can see one software engineer got invited under 489 from Victoria, 29th of August 2019, 70 points. And you got 3 invitations for computer network and systems engineer, again 489 Victoria, in the month of September. Now let's see what it did in 491. Business analyst group, but it is actually systems analyst that it invited under 491. That was on 31st of December 2019. That person might have had a happy new year, definitely. So 31st of December 2019 invited with 75 points. So 15 comes from Victoria anyway. So that person must have had just 60 points. So they got invited with 75 points in total. 31st of December 2019, systems analyst, 491 Victoria. Now developer programmer, there are 2 invitations, one on 27th of November and then on 2nd of Jan 2020, so this year, Jan. So in Jan it was 80 points and in November it was 95 points. And I can see one from ICT security specialist, that is 21st of November 2019 with 95 points. So if you're an ICT professional and looking to migrate to Australia, looking for options and want to discuss the current trends and what happened with Victoria or some other state that you're interested, maybe New South Wales, you can go and book a consultation session with me, phone or video, on my website sujithtalks.com. And I can run through some documents and some data and then customize it according to your profile, and also would advise which occupation could be the best fit for you, doing a preliminary analysis or assessment of your profile for ACS purposes if you haven't got skills assessment yet. If you already have skills assessment but you're not sure which state to go for, or you're confused with what's going on right now due to coronavirus or other aspects, you can also book a consultation session to discuss your chances in the current climate. Or if you're one of those who are invited by Victoria or New South Wales or any other state as an ICT professional and you want me to lodge the visa for you, I'm happy to take over from where you are and do the visa lodgement, be it 189, 190 or 491. My name is Sujith Billa, registered migration agent here in Melbourne. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to Sujith Talks for more videos of this sort, and if you haven't clicked on the bell icon, you're missing a lot because I'm going to publish more and more videos.